Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will see sets in Python. In Python, set is an unordered collection of data types that is iterable, mutable, and has no duplicate elements. This is the main feature of set. It doesn't contain any duplicate elements. The order of elements in a set is undefined, so it may consist of various elements. And this is the syntax, like we can use inbuilt method available to declare sets. Let's see with an example. It is an unordered collection. Suppose we have declared a set like this, set of 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you see the index values of corresponding numbers is like this. When you print the set, what you will get is the output 1, 2, 4 only, because it will remove duplicates. Here these two, this 1, 2 will be removed, and finally you get the output as 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was it was mentioned here. It does not contain any duplicates and mutable. Since these are altering and we can perform addition of elements or deletion of elements on it, it is mutable, and we can iterate through sets using for loop or while loop. An unordered collection. This is the reason why it is called as unordered, because the elements were changing automatically in order to remove duplicates. Hence, we cannot confirm on the position of value. It will alter based upon the elements we add and delete. Now let's see a few methods available in list. Like suppose if we want to add elements to a list, for that there is a method called add, which is an inbuilt method. If you want to add any value to the end of the list, you can use like this. This is the variable name and this is the inbuilt function or method. And whatever the value you want to add, you can specify here. Suppose if you want to update the value of a list, for that we have an inbuilt method called update. And what you can do is simply variable name dot update, and whatever the value you want to update, you can specify that value. Removing the element from a list. Elements can be removed from the list. Sorry, it is set. Removing elements of set. In order to remove elements from a set, we have an inbuilt method called remove. And we can use variable name dot remove, and whatever the value we want to remove, it will be specified within the remove method. If the value does not exist, it will throw an error. So make sure like whatever the element you want to remove, it exists in the set. Let's see all this with an example. Declare a set. Now try to print this set. If you see here, the output which you got is 1, 2, 3, 4. These two characters were removed. And if you want to add some elements to the list, for that we have an add method. Simply use add and specify whatever the number you want to add. Suppose you want to add 0. After adding, print the set. If you see, the 0 is added. Suppose if you want to update the elements of a set, for that we have an inbuilt method called update. Now declare another set2, and add elements to it, 10, 20, 30. And you want to update set1 with set2. For that, use update set2. Now print set1. If you see here, the elements of set2 were added to the set1. This is how you will update the existing set. Now removing elements of the set. For this we have a method called remove. Whatever the value you want to remove, specify within the function. Now print the set. If you see here, this method removed the element 4 from the set. And there were many more methods like union, difference underscore update. Based upon the need, you can use this. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you.